So ID we have seen name. Now we will see LinkText and partial link text. Partial link text, right? So here only, after searching this is a link, right? This is a link. So we can click on it, right? This is a link. So how we can click? We can use like this. Driver dot again find element by dot link text. We can call this link text. And here we can pass the link. So let me again inspect it. So for getting a link, you will have to click on this, or you will have to inspect this link, right? So see, class is available and this is the link text. This is a link text. You can copy it and paste it over here, right? But it's a too long, right? So if you have this long text, then you can use partial text. I will explain you what is the meaning of link text and partial link text. See, so I have taken this link text, and after taking the web element of this link text, we will have to click on that link. So we can call this click method, right? So see here, if you have too long text, it might not work, right? And instead of taking all the text, right, we can use partial link text. See, driver dot find element. Again here, we will pass the argument inside the find element method by dot partial link text. So in the partial link text, you don't need to pass all the text. You just need to pass a portion of this text, right? You don't need to pass all the text. You can pass it till here only. Selenium practice, Selenium webdriver, right? You can take it only these text, right? And again, we can call this click method. See, so it's easy, right? So we usually use the link text, but if you get these many text in the link, then you can use the partial link text. So this is the benefit. In the link text, you will have to provide all the text which is available, right, in the link. But in the partial link text, you don't need to pass all the link. You just need to pass a few word, right? So let me execute it. So if I'll see, first we can check this link text and then I will show you the partial link text. So as of now, I have commented this partial link text so that you can see the difference, right? So let me execute it. See, it is giving an error, right? It is not clicking on it. It is saying no such element. No such element. See, this find element, if it doesn't find out the element, then it will return no such element exception. Interviewer ask, it's a very important interview question. Interviewer ask, if find element will not find out the any web element within the page, then what will be the return type? So return type will be no such element exception, right? If it doesn't find out the element, then it will return no such element exception, right? So why it is not finding? Because it's a too long, right? It's a too long text. But same, if I'll use a partial link text, then it will able to find out, right? So if you have too long text in the link, then that time you can use partial link text. See, now I am going to use this partial link text, and again I will execute it. See, by using partial link text, it has clicked on that link. See, it has clicked on it and it has worked, right? Now it is not going, now it is not giving any error, right? So if you have too long text, right, then you can use partial link text method, partial link text locator. So this link text we usually use for this short text, right? If you have any short text, right, let's say see, for this email, right, it is only one text. Image is only one text, right? This Hindi, this is also a link, right? This is only one text. Then you can use link text. But if you have these many word in the link, right, if you have these many text in the link, then that time you can use partial link text, right? I will show you here as well. Before clicking here only, link text, right, driver dot otherwise not here, I will explain you later. First we can see this. See, so as of now we have seen link text and partial link text. Link text, I hope you understood the difference between link text and partial link text. Link text, you can use the short, any of the short link. If you want to click on this, if you have any short text in the link, then that time you can use the link text. If you have these if you have many text in the link, then you can use the partial link text locator, right? I will show you one more time this link text, right? So as of now we have seen this partial link text. Now I will show you and I will give you one homework to you. See, so 7 demo website to practice Selenium WebDriver online, right? So there we have total 7 links. You can use those application for practicing Selenium. See, demo websites to practice Selenium WebDriver, right? So these are the website. This source demo site for testing, right? This internet Heroku app, right? Orange HRM, right? Online testing blog, test pages, jQuery UI, right? Omayo, blog, right? So there are total 7 links which you can use for the practice. So let me click on it. See, this is the application where you can practice it, right? So this is a link I will give in description. Practice Selenium link. I will give you this link in description. So with the help of this link, your homework will be, you need to enter the user ID and the password and you need to click on this login button. This is your homework, right? First of all, you need to get the title of this page of this application, and after that you need to enter the user ID and then password and then login. User ID will be this. You can use these are the user ID, right? So you can take any of them. Let me show you user ID. This is the user ID and this is the password. So this user ID and password is available within this page only, right? And after entering this user ID and password, click on this login button, right? See, now it has been logged in, right? So this is your homework. You need to log in by using Selenium WebDriver. You need to click on this user ID, password, and click on this login button. This is your homework for today, right? So by using ID locator, by using ID and name, see, ID is available here. ID is available. Tag name is input because we are going to provide the input here, right? And ID is available. Name is also available. With the help of name and ID, you can you can enter the user ID. Same for the password. See, input, because we are going to provide the input here, and we have ID available, we have name available. You can use any of them, right? And after that, this is the button. This login is a button. See, this is a button. Tag name is input only, but this is a button, and here ID is available, name is available, so you can use any of them, right? So this is your homework. You need to log in by using user ID and password this application, right? I will give you the link in description, right? Now after that, what we can do, so far we have seen ID, name, link text, and partial link text, right? So here only, see, after clicking on it, right, here only, now this page, on this page we will have to, like, if interviewer can ask you how many links are available within this web page, right, within this web page, how many links are available. So if you want to find out all the links which is available within this web page, then how you can get the link. Now we are going to see tag name. Tag name is also one of the locator, right? See, so far we have seen this ID, name, link text, partial link text, right? 4 locators we have seen. Now we are going to see this tag name, right? So tag name is used to find out the all the links which is available within the web page, right? So how we can get all the links? Driver dot find element. Now we will use find elements, because we are going to get all the web elements, right? Now we will use find elements, right? Why we are using find elements? Because we are going to get all the links which are available within this web page, right? So that's why we are using here web elements method, right? Now we can call the tag name method. See, this is a tag name, right? So as I have explained you, wherever you will get the tag name A, that means that is the link, right? See, this is a link, right? So if I'll inspect it, then see A. So wherever you can see the tag name A, that means that is used for the link, right? So I will use here by dot tag name. I will provide here A, right? So A is used for the all the link, and here I need size of the link, right? See, so since we are going to get the size, so it will return integer value, right? Because size means it will return 1 2 3, whatever the number will be there, it will return in integer form, right? So return type will be, let me write here. So I will take one reference variable, there I will store this size of this link, right? So reference variable you can take anything. So I am taking here all links, right? And return type will be int, because it is going to return integer value, right? And if I want to print, then we can use this out, and here you can pass any message, all links available in the web page. And what else we can do? We can use a plus keyword, and then we can use this reference variable, right? So now if I'll execute this program, then it will get all the links which are available under this page. It will click on this Selenium website to practice. Clicked on it. Now it will get all the links available within this page. See, it is returning 178. So there are total 178 links available within this page. So right, so for any of the page, if you want to find out the link, right, then you can use this method, right? So see, this tag name is used to find out the all the links which is available within the page. So actually sometimes interviewer asks how to get all the links within the page. Then you can say by using tag name we can get all the links which is available within the page. Now we will see the class name, right? So we have seen ID, name, tag name, link text, partial link text, right? We have seen these many. So now we will see this class name, right? So how we can use the class name? Class name also it is used to find out the multiple web elements. If you want to get multiple web elements, then we can use class name, right? So let me open amazon.in. See, so this is the container, right? This is a container. In one container you can see lot many links, right? This Amazon mini TV, sell, best sellers, today's deal, mobiles, new releases, customer service, and prime, right? So these many links are available within this tag, right? Within this container. So I want to get all the links which is available within this container only, not all the page, right? If I will ask you to get all the links which are available within this page, then you can use tag name. But if I'm asking to get all the links which are available within this container, then how we can get? We can use a class name. This class name is used for anything, right? Not only link, you can use for the um, you can use for the drop down, you can use for the buttons, you can use for the sections, right? You can use for the anything, not only for the links. I have just given you the example, right? So how to use this class name? Driver dot find elements. See, it is used to find out the multiple web elements. When we need multiple web elements, then we can use this find elements, and under the find elements we can pass the argument by dot class name. So class name basically is used for the getting a multiple web elements, right? And to find out the multiple web elements we can use find elements, right? So here we will have to pass the class name. So first of all we will have to get the class name. So before that we will have to launch this application, Amazon application. So here only we will launch driver dot get, and here we can launch the application amazon.in. After launching we will inspect this, right click inspect. So we can inspect any of them, right? I have inspect this. Now this is available, these links, all these links, right, are available within this class, right? Within this container, this is a container, within this container all the links are available, right? But see, these are the links, right? And all the links, wherever links will be there, you can see the tag name A, right? So see, the if you hover over it, right here, see I'm hovering on here and it is highlighting here. See, you can see. And if I'll hover over on the above link, then it will highlight this release, new release, right? If I'll hover over on mobile phone, then you can see mobile highlighted, right? For this today's deal, and if I'll highlight this one, then it will highlight this best seller, right? not need to click. And let me scroll up. See, this is for sales and this is for Amazon mini DB, right? But we need a class. See, so this is a tag name, div is a tag name, this is attribute, this is attribute value, this is attribute, this is attribute value, right? So we are going to take attribute class. So as of now we are going to use class name. So class name, here we have nap progressive content class name we have. So I will copy this class name and paste it over here, right? Because see, within this class all the links have been written. See here, under this div is a tag name. So either you can take this ID or you can take this class name, right? So usually we prefer ID, but I need to show you the class name. And here we are going to get multiple web elements. So if you need to get multiple web elements, then you can take this class name, right? Basically, class name and tag name very rarely we use, right? Mainly we use ID, name, CSS selector, XPath, right? But sometimes we use the class name and tag name as well for finding a multiple web elements, right? So here we are going to find out the multiple web element, right? We need to get all the links, right? How many links are available, right? So how we can get it? So all the links are available within this class, right? So I will take this class, copy and paste it over here. And here we can check the size of the links. Whatever the like whatever the links are available within this class, it will get the size, right? And here we can write items, right? So you can take any of the reference variable, just it should be understandable, right? And web element I will take sorry, return type I will take a int, because again it is going to return in integer form, right? Because we are going to check the size, right? How many items are available, right? So here I will take int. And now after that we can print it. Sys out, and here we can pass this item. And if you want to pass any message here, then within this bracket you can pass the message as well. Items available in container, right? So see, so whatever the items are available within this container, within this one container, we are going to see the size, how many items are available. So total how many items are there? Total 8 items are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? So let's run it and see. So let me run this program. So first of all, it will log in the Google. It will click on the 7 demo website. It will get all the links and then launch the Amazon. And then it will get all the items from here. See, it is returning 8. So since total 8 items are available, it will get all the items. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Total 8 items are there, so it is returning 8 here, right? So this is how we can use class name, tag name, link text, partial link text, ID and name. So I can show you one more thing. This link text has not worked here. So now again I will show you the link text. Link text. Again, we will have to launch driver dot get. Again, I will have to launch Google, and after that driver dot find element, because we need to find out only one element. By dot, now we can use this link text. Now we can pass the link here. So if I use here google.com, now we need to click on this Gmail link. Gmail is a link, right? See, I will inspect this Gmail. See, this is a link because you can see the tag name A, right? So I need link text. Gmail is a text of this Gmail link, right? So I will take this link here, Gmail, and after locating the web element, we need to click on it, right? We will call this click method, right? So let's again execute this program. After Amazon, it will again log again after Amazon, it will again launch the Google Chrome and it will click on this Gmail. See, it has clicked on Gmail, right? That link. And after that, see, all the browsers have been opened only, right? So for closing the window, let me close manually and then explaining. So there are two methods. One is close browser. How to close browser automatically by using Selenium? So we can use driver dot, we have close method, this close method. So we have two method, one is close, another one is quit. Driver dot quit. So this close method, it will close only current window, right? Where focus will be there, it will close only current window, right? And it will close all opened browser, right? So if you are going to use this quit, it will close all the open browser, and if you are using this close, then it will close only one browser, only current browser, right? So if I'll comment this, so see again, test, execute it. So it will execute whatever the steps we have been written, and after that it will close the browser. Google, it will click on Gmail and see it has closed. So after testing, it has closed the browser. After completion of the execution, it has closed the browser, right? So far we have seen ID, name, link text, partial link text, tag name, class name, link text we have seen again, and we have seen how to close the browser, right? So almost we have covered the 6 locator we have covered: ID, name, class name, tag name, link text, parcel link text, right? In the upcoming session, we will see the CSS selector and XPath, right? So I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment. And your today's practice, you need to log in this application by using Selenium WebDriver. I will give this link in description. Thank you guys for watching this session.